back to my channel, and today I am going to do to make a review. Pasensya na kung maingay kasi may nagpupukpok na mga mga kapitbahay. Pero anyway, I am going to do a review for today, and it will be for the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer. Tingnan natin kung ano yung coverage niya. Pero meron siyang mga claims dito na it is medium to full coverage, lightweight, oil-free formula, at meron akong oily combination skin, and it says here as well na it's a long wear, water resistant, and sweat proof. Tingnan natin kung sweat proof ba to, kasi lagi ako pinapawisan, lalo na kung karga-karga ko si Baby Dwayne. So ayun, and I'm on a shade 05 or warm beige, and it consists of 30 ml. So ayun, and I am just going to do a quick makeup kasi pupunta ako ng PhilHealth ngayon. So, hindi naman ako masyadong lumalabas ng bahay. Kaya ayun, grab ko na yung chance, yung opportunity na ma-review. It's the first impression plus review pala. And I am going to use this sponge. It's a fake beauty blender plus solid daw. Ewan ko kung same lang pala, pero malambot siya. Anyway, nakuha ko ang itong Milani foundation sa Shopee kay Just Girls ata yun. Yes, for only 460 pesos. At saka I am going to put the link down below sa kanyang shop. And hindi na ako magko-consider ngayon kasi ayun nga, try natin ito without concealer. And it comes in a pump. Yes, yan. Pump siya. Lagay lang muna tayo ng konti. So, and pala guys, yung just wala siyang smell. Meron siyang scent na ang bango niya. Bango. Ang bango. Ang ganda pala nito guys. Kahit fake na beauty blender, ganda pa rin. Meron siya, yes. Meron talaga siyang coverage. Pero light lang naman na coverage. Buti na lang nakuha ko yung correct na shade. Kasi kapag online, diba, parang magdadalawang isip ka na bumili kasi baka masayang lang yung pera nyo. Pero ito, perfect na shade para sa akin. So, ayun. This is with the first coat ng foundation, and this one is without the foundation. Guys, I'm going to do another patong. I am going to patong. Tingnan natin kung makakover na talaga. Kung buildable ba yung niya. Char, may buildable na ako ha. Sorry kung maingay guys ha, kasi meron talagang nagpupukpok dito sa namin. Sa kapitbahay kasi may naayos na bahay sa gilid. Yeah. Okay. Ayun, pukpok. Sige, pukpok pa. Ayun, ganda niya. So far. Yan. Yan. Yan na. Yan na. So, let's see. Ayun. Obviously, yung dito sa right side ko ay yung merong foundation. Saka ito yung walang foundation. So, nakita niyo ba yung kaibahan? So, yan ang kaibahan. Parang dewy siyang tignan, pero lightweight naman. Hindi siya mabigat sa mukha. So, I'm just going to do on the other side. Hindi na ako magkukoncealer guys kasi tingnan natin kung ano ang effect or ano yung ganda nitong Milani. So, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and see you guys later, okay? So, ayan na guys. This is my makeup for today. And yung, ano niya guys, wala talaga. Parang wala lang. Parang wala lang akong nilagay na foundation. Tsaka yung coverage niya, okay na okay. At, yan na yung makeup ko for today. And, sana magustuhan niyo ito. At, sana matry niyo rin. Pero, time check pala, it's already 10:26 in the morning. And see you, okay? And see you later for the update. Okay, bye! This would be my first review of a foundation, like any makeup. First talaga ito. So, pasensyahan nyo na ha kung hindi masyadong, basta, yun. So, I'm gonna go na guys kasi baka magalit na lola na sa akin to. Okay? Hello! I just came home from PhilHealth and makikita nyo naman yun sa sa vlog ko for this day. And ito na yung makeup ko. It's already 1:34 in the afternoon. So mga 3 hours na mahigit itong makeup na to. At saka as I can see, para siyang dewy tignan sa camera, pero hindi naman siya malagkit guys. Pero itong ilong ko talaga ay oily talaga yan. So we're gonna do a check kung may makukuha tayong mga oils dyan. Pero normally oily talaga ako dito sa T-zone ko, like in my T-zone, I'm a T-zone like that. So oily talaga ako dyan. So ayun. Hindi naman masyadong, wala naman ako masyadong ko, pero kung nakikita nyo, yan lang yung nakuha kong oil, hindi masyadong marami. So ayun, so far I'm liking this foundation na ginamit ko ngayon. Pero let's see by the end of the day, or I am going to do a second update before ko i-close ang review na to, before ko i-reveal yung final verdict ko for this foundation. Pero so far hindi siya malagkit. Nung like first na in-apply ko siya, hindi talaga siya malagkit. Parang wala ka lang nilagay na foundation on your face. At saka hindi pa ako nakapag-retouch ng powder. Wala pang powder na ni-retouch dyan. At yun. So yun. See you on my next update. Hello! this would be my second update sa foundation na to. Pinatungan ko lang siya ng powder, nag-retouch lang ako, pero so far, hindi naman siya oily. Tingnan, di ba? And it's already, yan, 5:41. So, ayun. Yan yung latest update. To. So, let's check kung gaano. Ay, wala. Kadaghan sa kung nakuha. Sayang. Let's check kung gaano karami yung oil na makukuha natin ngayon. So, yun. Wala masyadong oil. Yun. So, ayun guys. Ito yung foundation. And I'll be back for my final review, a final verdict on. And again, I'm back for my final update on my review on the Milani concealer. I mean, Milani foundation. The Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. And it is already 8:41 in the evening. So, roughly 10 hours or 10 hours already since in-apply ko yung foundation. Pero by yung sa gitna ng araw, as you can see from my previous update, nilagyan ko siya ng powder kasi na siya tingnan, medyo oily na siya tingnan. Pero ngayon, it has been ilang hours na since I put some setting powder on it. Pero okay naman siya. Okay siya. The blush is still there. Yung blush ko nandun pa. Tapos after ng last update ko, pumunta pala kami sa bahay ng auntie ko at saka naglakad lang kami doon mga 15 minutes walking distance from our house, or 10 to 15 minutes walking distance from our house. At kinakarga ko pa si Baby Dwayne. So anyway, ito na yung yung face of the day. But anyway, so my thoughts on this foundation are yung pros niya ay yes, it does not yes, it is medium to full coverage. As you can see nung kanina, 2 coats yung nilagay ko sa face ko to cover my blemishes at saka yung mga pimple marks ko. And lightweight, yes, lightweight talaga siya. Sobra, parang wala ka lang nilagay sa face mo. Oil free, I don't think so kasi for me lang naman nag-oil up kasi ako. At saka, I have an oily combination skin. Meron akong oily combination skin, pero hindi naman siya gaanong umu-oil up talaga. Pero kung oil-free yung pag-uusapan natin, hindi siya oil-free. So, at saka long wear, yes, long wear talaga siya. At dapat mo lang siyang iset by the half of the day kasi parang yung effect, may UV effect kasi siya sa mukha. Kung gusto niyo matify yung face niyo, kailangan niyo iset talaga ng setting powder. Water resistant, hindi naman ako naligo or hindi ako naghilamos or whatsoever, hindi ako nabasa ng ulan, so I cannot tell if water resistant talaga siya. Pero sweat-proof, yes, it is sweat-proof talaga. Hindi siya humuhulas. Tingnan nyo, nandito pa rin siya sa aking face hanggang ngayon. And yeah, yun yung pros and cons pala. Hindi lang cons, pero pros and cons. Ano pa. So, anyway guys, that's it for my review on this foundation, and it's highly recommended. I am going to put the link down below kung saan ko siya nabili dito sa Cebu. I mean, dito sa Philippines. I bought it online sa Shopee. And please also check my other videos, at saka kung meron kayong mga request na videos like reviews or makeup tutorials, just comment on the link down below. Okay, so thank you so much again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and again, like and comment or share it to everyone if you want lang naman. Okay, thank you so much. Good night. Bye. 3, 2, 1. Now put your hands